This is an Oliver number 9. It was built around 1921. I bought it on eBay. It was damaged in shipping. It had fallen on its right tower and it bent some of the type bars. The machine came. It was very rusted, and the escapement mechanism was completely rusted over and corroded. I've gotten the machine working to a certain point, but the carriage does not advance while typing, despite the fact that I've repaired the mainspring and it has a new draw cord. So what seems to be the problem is that the ribbon vibrator mechanism is very, very stiff, and if you look underneath the machine, there used to be quite a lot of rust in this area right here, and this leads to a shaft that goes up to the ribbon vibrator. I'm not sure how freely these different parts should be moving, especially this oval looped area. I can, kind of manually force the shaft up by pressing this bar, but it doesn't, if you can hear that sound, it's kind of a click. So I don't know if there's some sort of mechanical obstruction, but that click that you hear is the sound of the ribbon vibrator shaft pushing up and the ribbon vibrator moving forward and back. The space bar is very stuck sounding. The keys are very stuck sounding. So I'm wondering if there is a mechanical obstruction or if there is, a dirt and grime situation. The only part of the machine that seems to be missing underneath here is some kind of a connector. This goes up to the tab button, and so I don't think that that would create an issue with the carriage advancing during typing, but I am missing some sort of a linkage or spring or something from the tab key. So if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to get this sorted out and get this machine typing. Thank you.